Hello friends, my name is Mohit Gupta. I am a practicing chartered accountant from Delhi. I did my CA in 2010. I am a law graduate from Delhi University also from 2015 batch. Today I am going to tell you something about Income Tax 21st Amendment Rules 2015, which came through a notification in December 2015. Date of effectiveness of these rules is 1st of April 2016. Department did some changes in foreign remittances and reporting in Form 15CA and Form 15CB. Earlier, Form 15CA had two parts, Part A and Part B. Now, in the new form, there shall be four parts, Part A, B, C and D. Part A shall cover those transactions which are made to a foreign national, either a company or not a company, and which are chargeable to income tax in India exceeding the aggregate amount of rupees 5 lakhs. Part B shall cover those transactions in which the certificate has been obtained from an assessing officer under section 197 or subsection 2 of subsection 3 of section 195. Part C shall cover those transactions in which a certificate from a chartered accountant is required in Form 15CB. And Part D shall cover those transactions which are not chargeable to tax but reportable to Income Tax Department. Now, let me tell you something in detail. Part C, which covers the certificate need to be obtained from a chartered accountant, that the transactions which are covered in Part A means the amount which is chargeable to tax, but the aggregate total is not exceeding rupees 5 lakhs in a single year. In that case, certificate from a chartered accountant is not required. But in a case where the aggregate amount is expected to exceed rupees 5 lakhs and the amount is chargeable to tax in India, in that situation, a certificate need to be obtained from a chartered accountant, and this situation will be covered under Part C, not in Part A. Moreover, an individual who need not obtain any prior permission from RBI as per Section 5 of FEMA Act, in that situation, there is no requirement of filing Form 15CA or Form 15CB. Now, there are certain more transactions which are exempted from reporting under Form 15CA. These transactions are specified by Income Tax Department in the said notification. Specifically, the imports which are done in India, and right now we have to obtain a certificate from a chartered accountant for those transactions and need to file Form 15CA also. That has been specifically excluded in the said notification. Now let me tell you something about how to file these forms. Form 15CA shall be filed electronically with a digital signature of the signatory, in case of proprietorship, the proprietor, a partner in partnership firm, and a director or any authorized person in case of a company or some other form of business. Something new came up for 15CB. As you are aware that earlier Form 15CB used to be reported in an offline mode, signed by a chartered accountant. The notification says that a new procedure can be developed for Form 15CB and the same form can be filed electronically through the digital signature of a practitioner. This is the part which notification said, and I think department will came up with a notification or some clarification that how they are going to implement this. There are something more for authorized dealers also, but that is not a concern for the assessee under Income Tax Act. This is what we all about Income Tax 21st Amendment Rules 2015. If you have any doubt, any clarification, or want any details, you can mail me at my mail ID, which is mentioned in the signature after this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe it, please like it, please share it. And if you have any views, we are ready to welcome those views and will try to remove any faults in the future upcoming videos. Thank you.